Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are making a waffle breakfast sandwich. You are not going to want to miss this one. Well, thanks for stopping by. If this is your first time watching, or if you just want to learn how to make great food, or maybe start your own cooking channel, then go ahead and start by clicking that subscribe button in the corner and then clicking that notification bell to be notified each and every time we upload new content. All right, well, you clicked on this video because you want to see me make a waffle breakfast sandwich. So let's head into the kitchen and see what we got. All right, well, of course, we're going to have waffles. We're going to just use some simple old buttermilk waffles. I have got this Man Cave jalapeno and cheddar smoked sausage. There is a whole line of these products. We will talk about that in a little bit. Eggs, peanut butter, syrup, and hot sauce. So let's start cooking. Well, this horseshoe sausage is fully cooked. I am just going to cut off what I need for this application of the breakfast video that we're doing. So I've got that. Now I'm just gonna split it right down the middle because I just want to heat it up in our frying pan. We're just gonna let this sausage cook up, get nice and brown, because it is fully cooked. I just want to make sure it's hot and caramelized just a little bit in that pan. Waffle going down. 2 eggs cooked any way you want them. Waffle coming up. Assembly time. Peanut butter on the bottom. Sausage link. One egg. There. Put some hot sauce in between, and then we're taking the peanut butter that we did and putting it this way on there. Peanut butter side down on that. Then we're going to hit all this with the syrup. All right, now we gotta take pictures of it for social media. And I'm gonna take those pictures that I took and put them into the timeline with some groovy music. And then we're gonna try this out and see what it tastes like. So roll away. It is with the egg and that sausage. Sausage kind of fell out, but you can see that sausage up close there. It looks awesome with the jalapeno in there. The egg in there. This is the bite I'm going to take right here. So let's switch over to shots. Okay, there is the bite. It's got that sausage and that egg in it. Oh my God, that is awesome. You got that sweet from the peanut butter and the syrup. You got the heat coming from the hot sauce, and the peanut butter kind of binds it all together with that egg for that savoriness and richness. Oh my God, this is very, very good. Well, I got myself a cup of coffee poured. I'm gonna finish these up, but first I wanna say thanks a lot for watching us today. And don't forget to check out this website for Man Cave Craft Eats, okay? They have a website right here. I'm going to kind of throw some B-roll in there so you can see it. Very good. They got all kinds of different products in there, so check it out. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm going to go ahead and leave that recipe for this dish down in the description box below. And I also have some other links down there that I would like you to check out as well. I have got a link to TubeBuddy. That is an awesome site if you have a cooking channel or any kind of channel in general on YouTube. It's a great site to go to get a toolbox of everything you need to make an awesome channel, to get lots of YouTube subscribers and YouTube views, which is what it's all about. I'm gonna also have a link down there for my Etsy shop and my e-commerce site for all the seasonings, spices, and dry rubs that I sell online. I've also got my affiliate links down there too for Amazon of all the equipment that I use, so go ahead and feel free to click on that and check out some of that stuff on Amazon as well. Well, thanks a lot for joining us today. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not done that already. Go ahead and hit the like button, leave a comment below, let us know how you're doing, and then share this video and this channel with everyone you know. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourselves, and don't forget, it's only food. Take care. Bye-bye.